stealthy villains haunt each and every galaxy. One particular beast tears up anything in its path and gobbles it down like a cocktail hors d'oeuvre. It's one of the most bizarre and destructive phenomenon in the universe, a black hole.
I think a black hole is the place which is more violent than anywhere else in our universe.
It's like going over the edge and you can't get back. It's fatal attraction, I suppose.
A black hole is a region of space where the pull of gravity is so immense that nothing can escape it, not even light. Astrophysicist and triathlete Ferial Ozel is attempting to unlock the mysteries surrounding this elusive cosmic force.
In a black hole, the gravity is so strong that no other force can compete with it, so everything collapses to a single point.
Ozel says whatever has a close encounter with a black hole will fall victim to its relentless tidal force of gravity.
Imagine you're swimming in a pool and there is no current. You can go whichever direction you want. Now imagine you're taken out of this pool and you're in a river. Imagine a current that is much, much, much stronger. That the only direction that you could go would be with this current. The space around the black hole acts like this wild river. You could never fight this enormous drag that you feel.
As an object approaches the edge of the black hole, called the event horizon, it reaches the point of no return.
As you come closer and closer to this event horizon, you would already be approaching this extremely fast motion of space under you. And your only future direction is now into the black hole.
The idea of the black hole as a whole sometimes can be a little bit confusing. What it really is, in some sense, it's a place from which you can't return, or at least not in the form in which you went in.
Black holes are difficult to detect because, as the name suggests, you cannot see one by itself because it's black. But scientists have spotted a black hole when its gravity affects something else in space, such as a passing star.
A completely isolated black hole would not be visible. What we really see from a black hole is actually the hot material that's swirling around it and that's being sucked into it.
So in the neighborhood of these powerful black holes, you'll get a lot of radiation resulting from the black hole pulling in material and stretching it and twisting it as it's falling in.
Black holes consume anything in close range, and there are billions upon billions of them prowling the universe. Astrophysicist Andrea Ghez is one of the world's leading black hole hunters.
Black holes are not picky eaters. They'll dine on whatever get nearby. So they will happily eat gas. They will happily consume a star or a planet.
When a black hole dines in a star, it does so first by tearing it apart. You might think of silly putty being stretched out, and then it just streams on in, sort of like water going down a drain. It's completely pulverized.
Black holes are produced, we believe, by the collapse of the core of a massive star, something like 25 or 30 times the mass of the Sun or more. When it comes to the end of its lifetime, a massive star burns its core all the way past helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, all the way to iron, which has no more nuclear fuel. And when that iron core builds up to a